This little video will take you through adding your favorites to your basket if you're looking to buy a pack of 5 images. That way you can receive the package discount and avoid having to hunt through your gallery to find the images that you've already picked. Here goes. Log on to your gallery as normal, and select the images that you would like to add to your favorites. Once you've selected all your favorites, click on the shopping trolley in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Choose the 5 digital images package. Add it to your cart. This will bring up 5 boxes so you can select the images that you would like. Click on the first box to choose your picture. This is the good bit. When your gallery is displayed, use the drop-down box in the top left-hand corner of your screen to filter it to display only your favorites. Just click on the first one to add it to your package. Then repeat the process until you've added them all in. Much quicker than hunting through your whole gallery to find them again. Then you can just check out as normal. Visit sarahfisherphotography.co.uk for more information.